Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome translation language. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Now tap on top right 3 dots. Now tap onto translate. Now tap on setting icon. Click on more languages and change language. Now here you can see this page is translated into Japanese. Now you can select any language in which you want to translate the page. In this way, you can translate any website into any language in Google Chrome. Now here you can see it has been translated again into English. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel from next video.